hit like a ball in a pinball machine. That's going to bring out the caution. Cars involved. The number 39 car that was involved in the mix-up of Mauricio. The 32 car of Yardley, the 00 car. Joe Nojak, and the 41 of Flannery, who became a total victim of circumstances there. That's the former Sean Foster machine that's been all redone for the 2010 season here at Stafford, and he became a victim of circumstances. It all happened when Carlo Monticello's car broke loose from underneath her, started to go around. Flannery had no place to go. That set him spinning. By the time that he recovered, he was hit 2 or 3 times, and the end result is that car with some heavy damage on front end of the race car. So we're under caution with no laps into the record books in this event. We'll take a look at our replay and recap it in just a moment. We'll remind you that in the limited late model division, our contingency partners include CarQuest,